Gravity and friction. When the surface of two objects rub against each other, a force is generated. This force is friction. If there is no friction, a moving object will not stop until it bumps with another object. The force of friction depends on the type of surface and how hard the surfaces rub each other. When two soft surfaces rub each other, the friction is less. Also, friction increases when two surfaces rub each other harder. Types of friction. Sliding friction. This friction is generated when two solid surfaces slide on each other. Static friction. This friction is generated between objects that aren't moving. If you try to push a couch across the room, it is hard to move due to static friction. Fluid friction. This friction is generated when a solid object moves through a fluid. Rolling friction. This friction occurs when an object rolls across the surface. It is easier to roll a bike with wheels than to push it when the tires slide. Gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls objects to the ground. It is the force that makes the planets in our solar system to keep moving around the sun. Newton's law of universal gravitation states that the force of gravity acts between all objects in the universe that has a mass. Hence, all objects with mass attract each other. Objects with smaller mass attract less compared to objects with bigger mass. Earth's gravitational force is strong with a huge mass to attract all objects. The other factor that affects gravity is the distance between two objects. As distance between two objects increases, the gravitational pull decreases. Weight and mass. Mass is the amount of matter inside an object. Weight is the measure of force of gravity on an object. Mass of an object is same in Earth and in Moon, but the weight of an object differs in Earth from Moon as the gravitational force pulling the object in Earth is more than the gravitational pull in Moon.